Lumabas mechado.
Under kasi. And. Careful, bro. No, mommy. Under. Under. Bakit? Ang dami ng bakla. Ang galing. Ayun na bakla. Ang ganda ng bakla. Ate, look at me.
What is you?
Lol.
Dal. Tsaka dal.
Guitar? Piano?
Drums. Lyre. Lyre.
Bell.
You don't know what a lyre is?
Liar? Lying?
No.
Liar, pencil, liar.
I'm generally scared.
Bakit?
Bakit? Camera.
Ang ganda. Ito yung
Tama
stuck. So long.
Pia, pull. Pull.
Move. Tic-tac-toe.
Study table. Study table, oh. Nice. Ganda ng study table. Yeah. Michelle,
Tara?
Tara? Ano yung sabi mo? Open this.
Open this bag. Ay,
Open
bag.
this.
Pink.
Open this.
This. Pink.
Open this.
Open this. Wow! Violin! Violin.
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 Yeah!
Violin.
Careful ka dyan, Pia. Horse, ano yan?
Violin.
Horse.
Anong horse?
Oo nga.
Violin yan. Careful ka
Parang
lang.
iputol.
Violin. Violin. Violin.
Buntot ng kabayo to eh.
Ew.
Horsehair. Wow. Is this real? Is this Tagalog?
Mabigat?
Yeah.
Study.
What is this?
Kailangan ganyan kasi.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mukha siyang laruan.
Mabigat.
Yan.
This
Oh.
feels
Dami mo ng instruments, ha?
like a prison.
Dalawa.
Oh, more than 2. More than 1.
Paano ba to?
Ganto. Look. Stop! Kailangan sa neck niya, tapos
Para siyang laruan.
yan yun.
Eh,
Ito pang kamot sa likod.
Hindi!
Pati! Ito pang palo ko. Palo, Pia!
No!
Palo, Pia!
try mo nga.
Hindi marunong. Hindi happy, mami. Balik na natin. Return to sender na natin. Return to sender. Hindi happy. Happy birthday, JB.
Yan eh.
Happy birthday, JB. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, JB.